Hello squad, happy to have you back online. Let's dive into this video. We want to calculate 9,966 divided by 33. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 9,966 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 33 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 9 big enough for 33 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 33 is larger than 9. So we must take the next digit too. How many 33 are in 99? The answer is 3. Now multiply 3 by 33, which gives us 99. Draw line and subtract 99 minus 99, which leaves us with 0. Now we bring down the next digit, 6, and this makes our new number 6. How many 33 are in 6? The answer is 0. Now multiply 0 by 33, which gives us 0. Draw line and subtract 6 minus 0, which leaves us with 6. Now we bring down the next digit, 6, and this makes our new number 66. How many 33 are in 66? The answer is 2. Now multiply 2 by 33, which gives us 66. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 302. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be part of our growing family.